Ukudutshulwa kwabantu eWestbury nase-Reiger Park kushiye umphakathi wakulezindawo ohlala ngokwesaba. Izakhamuzi zithi iziphathimandla zenza okwanele ukubhekana nobugebengu.
In this community of Westbury, our children are dying every day. I mean, 21st of October, when I was called to the hospital, when those 7 boys were shot, it was heartbreaking for any mother.
They know who's dealing, they know who's selling, they know who's bringing it in, they know who these foreign-owned shops are that's distributing some of these illegal goods. But what is happening? It's like our community is just being used as you don't even know what to say because there's no tangible solutions.
Iziphathimandla zihlangane nomphakathi ngenhloso yokucobelelana ngamaqhinga ukulwisana nobugebengu obuhleliwe okuyamaniswa namaqembu emigulukudu.
We have a revised strategy. It has a lot of different elements, and the strategy, the government is allocated funding for the implementation of that strategy. The violence has intensified now in the parts of Gauteng, so we have to make sure that that strategy is implemented in all 4 provinces where the gang violence is growing. That's Gauteng, the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and the Western Cape.
Cachalia uthi abantu abasha ibona bangeneshi ebugebengwini obuhleliwe.
I've been told some of the gangs are recruiting in the schools, right? And that tells you the extent of the problem.
Kunxuswa izakhamuzi ukuthi zisebenzisane namaphoyisa ukulwisana nobugebengu.